How to make a collaborative playlist on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can easily connect or create a collaborative playlist on Spotify. Well, you can do so either on your desktop or the web or Spotify app itself. I'll be doing it on Spotify application. Proceed to open up Spotify and head over to your library. Here you can tap on the plus icon at the top right and you can see the playlist option and you can see the collaborative playlist option. So you want to tap on collaborative playlist option here and now you can rename the playlist. So I'll rename it to collab and tap on create. Then once you have created collaborative playlist here, you can proceed to either copy link and share the link with your friends, or you can invite them directly on Spotify as well. So this is how you can easily create a collaborative playlist on Spotify. You can see the add option, tap on add, and now you can get the option to copy link or share directly using any other social media platforms. Your friends can easily join or connect on the playlist using that particular link that you'll be sharing. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.